Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get journey points for free in FC Mobile. Before we start, I made this video for beginners new into this game. Still confused how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the quest so you can get ton of reward from this game. Let's get started. So by tap the store and then tap the exchanges feature and tap the division rifles, you can get journey points. This one. There's a purchase limit 100 journey points, so there is a you have to fulfill the condition with 200 of competitive points. You can get 1 journey points. For example, here I only have 2030 of division rifle, a competitive point, so I only got about a 11. I just got 11 journey points. So all you have to do is just play a division rifles and try to win it, so you can earn competitive points. So please feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click this button below. See you in the next video.